Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, April 22nd, 2024. Let's go ahead and jump back to Friday and take a look at what happened with the market. Again, another day where the notable rotations were all right around our roadmap levels. So kind of just like Groundhog's Day with these reviews, but let's go ahead and take a look at what happened here. So the market opened right at this vertical line, and the bulls tried to push and go ahead and continue to push higher because, as you can see, all through the overnight session, the market was strong and it was pushing. Market opens and we get this little peak up, almost to come into the roadmap level, didn't quite tag it, and then the sell-off began. And this is where you can start to see some pretty decent price action. So was a little bit messy after the first pullback there, but notice holding VWAP until it doesn't, right? So we get this nice hold off the back end of our roadmap level at 34, and then it ducks down through the VWAP, and then we get some pretty incredible rotations here. So let's take a look. The high of the morning, again, was just a point in front of our roadmap level. I'm not arguing that we did tag it, but just in front of that. Then we held the VWAP for a while, could not appreciably break out from it. And then we got this little double top off of the roadmap level, only to come down after a, let's see, 57 to 07, a 50-point pullback. And where does the market bounce? I mean, you get three discrete holds, once, twice, and then the little peak below and the bounce. And then from there, you get a decent rally right back to the VWAP, only for the bears to pull back from the VWAP and then hold the holy orange power level with a beautiful double bottom to come up and tag the back end of the previous daily low there. And then we get a really nice healthy pullback here. Again, riding the back end of the 200 all the way down. And then what do you know? The next bounce of the day, right off of our next roadmap level. In fact, it bounced just in front of it here, I think maybe by 1 point. And then they came down and finally tagged it nearly to the tick, and then went ahead and ducked through by about 2 or 3 ticks, and then got that pop at the end of the day. So if you zoom out and look, the biggest bounces of the day was our first roadmap level and our second roadmap level. And then the high of the day was, again, just 1 point in front of our scaffolding up there at 59. So pretty good stuff. Maybe a little bit more messy than some of the other days we've seen recently, but still some incredible rotations right off the roadmap levels. And then, as you can see, coming into this morning now, they're starting to kind of step up the roadmap level. So on Friday, we got the bounce right off of our scaffolding. And then coming into the overnight session on Sunday's Globex, we pulled back and held 50% of the previous day. There was a great opportunity last night, right, to buy 50% of the previous day, and you'd be up about 20, 25 points now. And again, stepped up, held the 200, held our roadmap level here to the tick just a couple minutes ago, and then notice where all the trouble in the market is right now, right at our next roadmap level at 34. So pretty good stuff. Let's go ahead and jump up to the higher time frames, and we'll take a look at what they have to say for this morning coming into this new week. We're basically at the end of April here. What do we have? Let me look at the calendar. Yeah, this is basically the last full week of April, and then on Monday and Tuesday next week we'll finish this month out. Let's go ahead and jump up to the higher time frames now